The maintenance required light in your Toyota is a scheduled maintenance reminder system, primarily designed to alert you when oil changes are due. This is different from a check engine light. The maintenance required light does not indicate mechanical problems. It's simply a mileage-based reminder system. The light is triggered by mileage intervals. Older Toyota models typically activate every 5,000 miles, while newer models using synthetic oil activate every 10,000 miles. The light behavior indicates urgency. A solid light means maintenance is due, while a flashing light indicates the maintenance is overdue and should be addressed immediately. Modern Toyota models from 2024 and 2025 feature advanced maintenance systems integrated with multimedia displays and smartphone apps. Toyota Connect services allow remote monitoring of maintenance schedules. Ignoring the maintenance required light can lead to serious engine problems and costly repairs. This is especially critical in turbocharged models where oil degradation happens faster and engine protection is essential. Understanding your Toyota's maintenance required light helps protect your investment and ensures reliable vehicle performance. Regular maintenance based on these reminders prevents costly repairs and extends engine life. Here's the universal reset method that works on most Toyota models from 2010 to 2025. This procedure will reset your maintenance required light after completing your scheduled service. Follow these 5 simple steps to reset your maintenance light. First, turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Next, press and hold the trip meter reset button. This is usually located on your dashboard near the odometer display. While still holding the button, turn the ignition back to the off position. Keep holding that button, don't let go yet. Continue holding the button for 10 to 15 seconds. This ensures the system properly registers the reset command. Finally, release the button and start your engine. Check that the maintenance required light is no longer illuminated. Here's what a typical Toyota dashboard looks like. The trip meter reset button is usually located near the odometer display area. For newer Toyota models from 2020 to 2025, you may need to use the touchscreen menu system instead of the traditional button method. Navigate through the menu by going to Settings, then Vehicle, then Maintenance, and finally Reset. The exact menu structure may vary by model year. Some newer models also require you to press the brake pedal during the reset process for safety reasons. For Toyota hybrid models, the process is slightly different. Instead of turning a traditional ignition key, press the power button twice without pressing the brake pedal. After activating the hybrid system this way, follow the same standard reset procedure with the trip meter button. If the standard reset procedure doesn't work, here are some troubleshooting tips to try. First, try holding the button longer, up to 20 seconds. Some models are more sensitive and require extended button presses. Some Toyota models, especially hybrids, may require multiple reset attempts before the system responds properly. Always consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as procedures can vary between different Toyota models and years. Most importantly, only reset the light after you've actually completed the required maintenance. The light is there to protect your engine. You'll know the reset was successful when the maintenance required light stays off after starting your engine. The system will now count down to your next scheduled maintenance interval.